kapuso sa baguhay lamang ang Miss Universe Philippines, bukod tangi kaayo ang mga national costumes nga girampa sa mga kandidata. Ug gusto na din ha ang gisuot sa Miss Davao Occidental. Mao nang kalumbuntaga mga kapuso atong ilailahon ang designer behind that national costume na si Sir Silverio Anglacer. Good morning Sir Silverio and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta po?
I'm good, and thank you so much, Attorney Resi, for inviting me to join your show.
Sir, syempre hisgutan lang nato ang baguhay lamang nga MUPH pageant. Dino sa ka sa mga nag-design sa atong kandidata representing Davao Occidental. Please give us a few more details, Sir Silverio. Can you tell us unsa pud ang imong inspirasyon para ani nga national costume?
Well, my design is all about the colors, the culture, and life of Mindanao. It's a representation of our beloved Muslim brothers and sisters from the provinces of this island. It's my very own translation of that beloved princess to a haute couture piece.
Siyempre, sir, you're very well known in Mindanao, especially diri sa Davao City as a fashion designer. Pero bago ba nimo ni naabot ani nga estado sa imong kinabuhi, can you take us back to your beginnings when you started your career as a fashion designer?
Well, I started designing at a very young age. I was so mesmerized with the glamorous images of men and women from all the reading materials that grabbed my attention. During the 80s, there's no formal fashion school here, so I opt to do personal research to develop my interest in fashion. I've learned to work with cutters and sewers and develop my knowledge with a full understanding the fundamentals of dressmaking. I have come to find ways to improve myself, try to be a competent designer. From there, they say the rest is history.
Sir, ang imong design usagyud sa mga hot picks, hilabi na sa mga pageant vloggers. It means usagyud siya sa mga na-stand out, perhaps in terms of design and especially in the material that was used. Pero aduna ba mo yung mga challenges po na na-encounter kamong duha sa kandidata on the days leading towards the actual national costume competition?
I'm so delighted and I'm so deeply honored to have been recognized by the beauty pageant bloggers who noticed my work. I'm so thankful to have my work included in such awesome company of talented designers. Well, everything came out fine with me and Chim during the preparation of the gown with a representation of a Muslim princess from Mindanao at the Carnival Queen Festival.
How does it feel also, sir, nga imuhang napakita ang imuhang talento and you were able to represent Mindanao in a national pageant?
Again, I'm forever thankful and grateful for the experience. To Crisalyn Valencia, to those teams and individuals who invited me to be a part with them and for giving me the chance to showcase my work for the pageant.
You also have any tips or advice, sir, alang sa mga aspiring designers nato?
My advice, just keep doing right what you love doing. It's a continuous study. Don't give up no matter what happened, no matter how hopeless the situation sometimes. That's my only tip.
Aduna pud ba kay gusto nga pasalamatan, sir?
I would like to thank some people along the way who had faith in me up to now. They, along with my trusted cutters and sewers, have inspired, encouraged, and educated me in my designing journey.
Daghan kaayong salamat, Sir Silverio, for such an impressive work and outstanding creation sa Miss Universe Philippines national costume. Amping pirmi!
Thank you so much.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.